I like it because they're scrub cloths.
Hey gang, Poppy here. Guess what? It's 6 o'clock p.m. on the 30th of October 2019. We just got electricity back a reboot ago. An hour ago I saw smoke.
They're going up.
A minute later, like we got electricity. A minute later, electricity's
Get up there
off.
and wipe them off if you can.
This is twice in a row in power outages when
Thank you.
right after we have a fire, we get electricity.
All these have in is water. They didn't lose it.
Is that what PG wants? Fire?
Thanks, PG&E, for ruining Halloween for hundreds of thousands of children.
Yeah, just think if Halloween and the first of the month there's no electricity, no business could be contracted because no computers, the welfare eagle, the social security eagle, the SSI eagle, regular paychecks can't get processed, PG&E don't get paid because no one can pay the PG&E, the pernicious graft and extortion bill. I'm seriously telling you, next PG&E bill, write it to pernicious graft and extortion. Let them choose. Do they take it and take the subtle hint, or do they bounce it back at you?
And fuck up your account. Kill up there.
I am, but they just keep coming.
I'm going to stop this now. I've got a bunch of JPEGs and some short clips I took, and I've even got the fire. The smoke from the fire. I'm going to put them on after this. Love you.